Hi, today I'll show you how to change video resolution on T-Phone 6. First of all, let's open our camera, then let's go to settings, and here we can change video size. Let's select full. Oh, as you can see, you cannot choose 60 FPS then. Okay, let's maybe select this one, not this one. Or even 2K, or you cannot also select 60 FPS. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, let's leave it like this. So yeah, as you can see, you can change video resolution just from camera settings. Thanks for watching, press like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.